On today's lesson, I want to show you how to break out of the pentatonic box. So from the key of C, this pentatonic shape. Well, what we can do is take our ring finger right here and glue it to this string, this fret, and our first finger right here and glue it. What we're going to do is slide up 2 frets and go back down. Okay? And then we can do the same thing down if we scoot down 3 frets. Okay? And all of a sudden that gives you a blend between minor, which is this, and major, which is right here. And this is actually more of like a Mixolydian flavor, but it gives you a really complex palette. It doesn't sound like you're just playing a box shape, right? And so what you can do is take this idea and move it all up and down the neck. You can add chromaticism. You can add this little walk down. And it'll allow you to bridge different parts of the guitar neck without having to think too much. Now, there's another way you can bridge these 2 ideas. You could start off just the exact same, and you can walk down this minor pentatonic scale, add that blue note, and then you can slide into this next idea. So and now we're in that box shape right down here. All right, so that is such a great way to connect minor and major. You could take the same idea and move string sets. We're going to take our ring finger and have it on the D string instead of the A string. And you could do the same thing, right? It'll sound like this. It's going to sound more minor. Now, this strategy doesn't necessarily work if you wanted to move on the D string down 3 frets, but it is a great way to use the same shape that we just talked about and have a way to access different part of the guitar neck without using too much mental real estate. So once again, what we can do is have that shape and then allow it to go up and down the neck using that just little simple shape, having your ring finger glued, your first finger glued, and then you could change string sets. And that idea can be the basis for an entire solo. That idea you could take and run with it. You see the power of this movement. Thank you so much for tuning into Soulful Guitar Lessons. I would love to hear from you. Let me know your thoughts below, and I'll see you very soon.